Let's go see if he gets anyone else. Where the hell was my dad?
I know.
Oh, there. I think I saw him.
Are they coming?
I think so.
I hope he scares
I
them.
don't know. I hope he scares the living shit out of him. He's like, I'm making money. I'm making money.
Damn, that was some good shit.
Where are they at? Wait, hold on. Here we go. Here we go.
Cheaters. Walked around.
Next second.
I thought he hid in the bear.
You notice because everybody's like looking at you.
Right back.
I know. Я вам все расскажу.
Man, I can't.